Hi, everybody. Joe Cioffi here. Weather in a minute on this Tuesday, the 4th of November. Looking at dry conditions through much of the eastern seaboard, except for maybe northern Maine, where a storm system is pulling out to the east. And I'm going to just shift this a little bit further to the east. This is going to become a big storm out in the Atlantic as it passes through Atlantic Canada. And the result is that we're seeing dry air that's up and down the eastern seaboard that's going to be the dominating feature. But the other issue is going to be the wind. The gradient is going to tighten up to some degree today. I don't think we're going to be dealing with wind advisory criteria, but certainly there could be wind gusts of 25 to maybe even 30 or 35 miles per hour at times, especially as you go north and east up into New England, a little bit less so as you go south and west. And temperatures are going to be running at seasonal levels. Radars are very quiet. I mean, you really have to struggle to find anything. There is a little bit of rain in northern Vermont and also in easternmost Maine that eventually is going to be pulling away to the northeast, but the rest of the radars up and down the eastern seaboard are in silent mode. So we're just pretty much moving along here this week. It's a fast flow weather pattern with weather systems coming through every couple of days. None of them are particularly strong. We're seeing that gradient tight for today. Temperatures topping out probably in the upper 50s in most places. And then I think we're going to get above 60 on Wednesday ahead of the next cold front. And you see low pressure there moving across the Great Lakes and upstate New York. Maybe we get a shower with that Wednesday evening or Wednesday night. The highest chance, though, is going to be well to the north. Quick shot of colder air for Thursday into Friday before that pulls away. And then we've got another weather front that's going to be approaching with maybe a couple of showers Friday night into Saturday morning before weather conditions improve. And then ultimately, this storm system that's dropping out of central Canada and crossing the lower lakes will eventually push a cold front through and bring down a rather impressive shot of cold air early next week. That cold air is going to get all the way down into Florida, and there might even be a little bit of the lake effect snow machine going to work for the early part of next week. But for the most part, it's smooth sailing here with no major storms in sight, and precipitation is going to be minimal over the next 6 or 7 days.